channel. It's good to see you today. I thought today I'd come into my craft space. You can see behind me all my stuff. I have so much stuff in here, so many flowers and things like that for making wreaths. I've got stuff over here. I don't know if you can see it so well. It's kind of like, if I can get it, yeah. See that hutch? That's that pie safe that my dad made years ago, but look on top of all the flowers I've got. There's flowers there for decorating, but also flowers, that was for springtime. But what I wanted to show you today is 2 fall wreaths I've been working on. And I just wanted to make some wreaths. I don't really have any place I'm gonna put them. I think I'm gonna give one to my sister because she likes color, and she has one wreath that I made years ago that I think I gave it to my mom actually. Before she passed, she had it for a while. But she doesn't have another wreath. So, you know me, when I make wreaths, and I have a lot of them here for my house, because I love making them. These are fall, so they're a little too late for me to like put on Etsy or do anything like that. So, but I just wanted to show you what I'd made. And then I'm hoping to get myself over to Hobby Lobby at some point in the near future. It's a little early right now. Not really, not in the wreath world. I mean, I should be ahead of the game right now. I'm probably working on things for spring. You know, but people are going to start searching like on Etsy for like Christmas wreaths and such like that. So they're not probably looking for fall ones. They might be, you know, people who are kind of later, maybe decorate more for fall, maybe in September, later in September than what I do. Being a YouTuber, I do mine earlier, you know, earlier in you know, late August instead of early September. So yeah, so normally, you know, if I was doing Etsy, which I'm not doing right now, but I'm thinking about getting back into it, I'm not sure. But I made 2 wreaths that I wanted to show you, and I think they're very pretty. And then I've got some other plans for like spring wreaths that I was gonna work on this last spring, but then the wedding took over everything, so I wasn't able to work on anything like that. So I've got a couple of other plans on some springy type of wreaths. So I might get back into my Etsy shop. I'm not quite sure. And do something like that in the new year, maybe. I'll try that. I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to show you my wreaths that I made for fall. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So let me take you down off my contraption here and we'll go look at them. Okay, this is fall wreath number 1. And this one has a lot of color, has lots of orange in it and reds. I put this bow on here because I didn't want the bow actually to compete with all the fun, good stuff that's going on with this wreath. Because I've got so many flowers on here. I mean, this is covered with flowers, pumpkins peeking out. I've got a white one over on this side and an orange one over on this side. I've got berries and leaves and little flowers like this, hydrangeas, which are not hydrangeas, which are mostly my favorite. They're to work with. They're so pretty and sweet. More leaves, these are some red hydrangeas that are on there. There's a sunflower peeking up out of here. One on each side, actually. They kind of get hid by the bow, but there's a sunflower on each side of this. And, you know, then I have a flower right in through here. And leaves on this side. And sunflowers, there's my light. Berries here. And yeah, I just love it. It's so it's nice and full. It really is filled out from side to side. I've got, you know, stuff all the way over to the side of the wreath on each side. And, you know, it comes up here. There's stuff up here by the bow on this side so that, you know, when it's hanging or whatever, you see something from every angle, that it's covered on both sides, you know, going down and around. And so that's how that one looks. I love it. I love all my creations. You know, it's hard to pick my favorites and things like that because they're so much fun to make. But anyways, isn't it pretty? Yes, so pretty. I love this one. Okay, hang on, I'll put up the other one. Okay, here is, and I think I'm gonna lift this up actually. Hold on. I don't want the light on the other side to get in our frame. Okay, this is the other one. It's more, got a lot more orange to it. But here you can see there's one sunflower here. And that's kind of my, kind of my focal point. I've got these cute, these are hydrangeas. These ones came from Dollar Tree a couple years ago. Look at how they're kind of like, they have that. And then some of them are like this. It's kind of neat. They had leaves that were like that too at one time. I've got flowers like this on here. Berries. More berries up here. Some of these flowers. There's some other stuff. Some more hydrangeas. Back here I've got some leaves. Here I did a more simple bow, just a burlap bow. And there's a pumpkin there. And there's some of those leaves I was talking about that kind of have that burlappy look to them. Yes, and some of these flowers again, and berries, and popping out of there, so it's kind of, and there's some more of that, and some of that, and this one I'm really happy with too. It's really pretty. So I don't know, with both of them, what do you think? So, do you like this orange one better? Or do you like the one with the red better? It's kind of hard to decide, isn't it? They're both so pretty. All that color, isn't it gorgeous? So yes, this is the one that's more got orange on it. And then I wish I had another holder, but you can I'll just kind of hold that there. This one has more red. So they're both very cute. What do you think? Okay, well, anyways, those are the two wreaths that I recently did. And one my sister's going to take, I think. Because I can't, even though they're all like they're, kind of like when you're creating stuff like this and you're making wreaths, they kind of became your little baby and you don't want to let them go, It's kind of hard because I love them all, but I can't keep them all. So anyways, very cute, I think. And so those are the other wreaths I worked on for fall. And of course that one you'll see in my video for the front door and for my fall home tour. Anyways, love you to pieces, and I will see you in my home tour tomorrow.